please introduce yourself a little bit.
Yes, yes. I am a student. I pursue BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in MIT Muzaffarpur from Bihar. Okay.
Okay, okay. MIT
I'm
Muzaffarpur.
passionate about electronic component. That's why I taking course in Electronics and Communication. My final dream is to become a businessman in electronics and communication industry. Uh, that's
All
why
right.
I started this journey, and it's not too easy, but I started the first step, and I will try to reach there. Okay.
Definitely. Okay. And so this is your the that you want to be a businessman actually someday. So this is kind of your long-term plan or long-term goal,
Yeah.
you might say, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So what are the things you are actually doing? What are the steps you are trying to take in order to, achieve your long-term plan basically? Do you have any plans or actions in mind that you are, going through?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First of all, we need to know electronics component which is in my syllabus, and one by one I read in depth. Okay, and after it, we need to join any company which is in electronics industry, and we need to gain 1 or 2 year. 1 or 2 year we need to work in. Okay, and after join this company, we think about starting a new startup like electronics company.
All right, all right. So basically, you are saying that you need to have a little experience
Yes,
about
yes,
this
yes,
job, about how the working is there. You need to have insights about it, right? That's what you are
yes,
saying, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so tell me, if, for example, if my long-term plan is, to be just like you said, to be a businessman, I would just have a little bit of short-term goals as well. For example, I would like to collect funds for my this particular goal. So I would have short-term goals in order to achieve my long-term goals. So, what would you like to say about your short-term goals? What are your short-term goals?
Join a job basically because we need money. Okay,
Of
and
course, right.
at that journey we need to that's why I am working to find my best job in this field. Okay, and my first step is okay.
Do you mean that that is why you are pursuing this course?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, all right. So, whenever you are talking about some course or degree or diploma or anything about education, you should use the word pursue instead of that. Okay, that I'm
Yes,
pursuing this course. Okay, all right.
yes,
All right. Okay. So you do have some short-term goals in mind in order to achieve the your long-term goals, right?
yes,
Okay,
yes,
all right. And this is your first session, right?
yes, yes.
Let's talk about the word intention. Tell me your views about the word intention. What do you think the word intention means? So intentions are basically when, let's say, I intend to provide you with knowledge whenever you feel like you are lacking a word in your mind. I intend to provide you with that particular knowledge or provide you with an apt word. So that those are my intentions. To help you learn a skill. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
this is called intention. You are getting me by this example. That
yes,
intention
yes,
is basically what you want to do in order to achieve something or anything in general. Okay, that those are called intentions. What was your basic purpose of joining English, Shari? I mean, what did you have in mind while you wanted to join English, Shari?
yes, yes. Basically, it is for enhancing my communication skill because when I working in any company, then we will to communicate with the customer and support team and else. Okay? That's why I joined communication. Yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
English. Sorry.
Okay, all right, I get it. So basically, for your career prospect, you wanted to join, right?
Yes,
You for your, for gaining that proficiency, right?
yes, yes, definitely.
Okay, okay. A quick little tip for you, whenever you are talking about a company, in a company's reference, always use the word client instead of customer. Okay?
Okay, okay,
Yeah, because usually when we work in a company, we have clients over there.
okay.
Okay? All right. All right. So I was about to say something. It skipped my mind actually. Okay, anyways, I was saying that for a feedback, just for a feedback, because this is our first session. I felt like you are actually trying your best to speak, and you are not bad in English. You know how to speak. It's just that you sometimes lack words, and you are not really
Yes, yes,
fluent in English, which you are working on currently, right? So I believe having regular sessions, having regular practice or interactions which will make you really good in English, will help you make a hold on English. So it's good for you. Keep taking sessions, and you are going to be surely get better in English for sure. Okay.
yes, yes. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right, because it's like having practice and working on that thing is really important. If you want something in your future, just like you said that it will be your third year, and that then you'll have to work on having internships and everything. It's currently which year are you in? First or
Uh,
second?
Second, yes,
Second year. So it's gonna be your third year next year, right? And
yes,
then
yes,
you will be going for internships and everything, I believe.
yes, yes,
Yeah, and it's like in these times, having a good hold on English is really important when you are going for an interview, right? So it's a really good time to start with your with working on your communication and everything. So all the best, all the very best for your future as well, and I hope to see you in another session. Okay?
okay, thank you,
All
ma'am.
right, take care. And please make sure that you just go through a vocabulary part. It's good for yourself as well because you can always clear your doubts then. Okay?
Yes,
All right. Take care. Bye bye.
okay, good night.